हूँ, भारत है मुझ में, मैं ताकत हूँ, ताकत है मुझ में।
The ignorance of one voter in a democracy impairs the security of all. A very hearty good morning to all. I am Saurabhi and I am Imran, and today we are here to perform the election process of India. So today we are going to perform the electoral literacy activity. The main aim of this activity is to make sure that everyone would aware about the election process and the importance of elections. Imran, but do you know what is the importance of choosing the right candidate for a country? Yes, I know, but I think that not everyone would be aware about it. So let's tell them. Yes, choosing the right candidate can lead to good development of country and to protect citizens' rights. But if they choose a wrong or an unfaithful candidate, then the country might not go successfully and the candidate might not be answerable to the citizens.
First process for voting is to register yourself to vote. So there are many officers involved in this process also. So let's discuss them.
The first officer is PLO.
Good afternoon. I am PLO, booth level officer. I gave form number 6 to the new voters.
PLO is responsible for the collection of information, field verification and identification of the voters. PLO will help the voters to fill the form number 6. The next officer is ERO.
Good morning. I am ERO, the election registration officer. I collect the form number 6.
The PLO gives the form to the ERO and let the voters to fill it. And ERO verify the forms and then gives to RO. The next officer is RO.
Good morning to all. I am Agu, returning officer. My work to check all the forms inscribed by the voters.
RO check these forms and prepare the voter list and make sure that every person is aware of the election process.
The vote is precious.
It is the most powerful non-violent weapon used in a democratic society.
And we must use it.
Now, it's the time to cast your vote.
So let's move to the polling station.
मैं भारत हूँ, भारत है मुझ में, मैं ताकत हूँ, ताकत है मुझ में। मैं भारत हूँ, भारत है मुझ में, मैं ताकत हूँ, ताकत है मुझ में।
Now, we have presiding officer.
Presiding officer explains the process of voting through EVM or ballot papers.
Good morning. I am presiding officer and my work is to control polling booths. I have 3 more officers under me. First polling officer, second polling officer and the third polling officer. First polling officer check the identity of the voters. Second polling officer provide the ballot paper to the voters. And the third polling officer mark the ink on the fingers of the voter. Here we have one assistant officer and his work is to take signatures from the voters. And she is the instructor who instructs the voters to cast their vote.
Sorry, have you heard about EVM? What's that?
Yes, Nimrat, of course, I know about it. EVM are electronic voting machine. It provides the voters to vote with just a button with each choice of candidate. But Nimrat, do you know why we are using EVMs more than ballot paper?
Because a country have 1.4 billion population and having elections with ballot papers are a challenge and one can only solve it with automation. And EVM fits the bill.
Now, we'd like to invite the person who will tell you about EVMs and ballot paper.
Electronic voting machine is a modern method for voting in elections to choose our representatives. In this, there are the name of candidates as well as the symbols. And we want to click on the participant button we want to choose. And when we click on this button, a light blinks. It means that our vote is casted.
This is a ballot box. If we are conducting elections through a ballot box, then we need these ballot papers. In this ballot paper, firstly, we have the name of the candidate here and then the symbol of the candidate here. And we have the stamp over here. And then we have to fold it like this and not like this. The reason behind it is, if we fold it like this, then the stamp will also be marked on other candidate's name and your vote will be cancelled. So let's start the voting process. Voters, pay attention. She is the first officer. She will check your identity. Second polling officer. She will provide you with the ballot papers. The third polling officer. He will mark
है, हम योद्धा के दो हस्तक है, हम भारत भाग्य विधाता है, हम भारत के मतदाता है। ओ मतदान मतदान देने जाएंगे भारत के लिए, भारत के लिए।
Excuse me, presiding officer. We have a little problem here. This voter's name is not on the voters list.
Sorry ma'am, your name is not on the voter list, so you can't cast your vote. Let's see what are the polling officers do.
Yes, see how dedicated they are.
मतदान देने जाएंगे भारत के लिए, भारत के लिए।
Sorry ma'am, you cannot cast your vote because you have already casted your vote.
But do you know what's the reason behind marking ink on the finger of voters?
Yes, Sarvi, it's due to fair election.
And also, one person, one vote and one ballot.